Hey guys, Chris here. Hope you guys are all doing good and staying healthy. Check this thing out. I ordered this about right after Christmas actually, so about 4 weeks ago. It's a 21 BMW X6 50i. I totally forgot about these cars. This would be my fourth or fifth, so it's kind of surprising that I forgot about these. But you know, I've been so obsessed with Porsche and Audi and I guess the Mopar stuff. I just kind of forgot about BMW, to be honest. I forgot, honestly, just how nice that these cars actually are. I mean, I guess I kind of just forgot about the X6, and they did a redesign in 2020. So this is year number 2 on this new generation. I think it looks really sweet. I just took delivery of this yesterday. You probably notice how trashed it is. That was done on purpose, not being trash, but not being clean. I mean, if you guys ever have the ability to or opportunity to order a car, I would highly suggest telling the dealership not to touch it. Just do the PDI, that's the pre-delivery inspection, and don't wash it. So I took delivery of this thing looking just like this. There's rolled salts on it. This thing was flopping in the wind the entire way home. Inside, I mean, look at this. It looks very unacceptable, or like how I would not expect a dealership to present a brand new car. And trust me, I had multiple people come up to me like, "You sure you don't want us to wash that? You don't want us to do this?" It's like, yes, thank you. Please do not touch the car. So this is how I got it. It's got cardboard in the door. Door panels here. It's got stuff hanging from everywhere. It's got all the screen protection on the screens there. But that is exactly how I wanted them to present it to me, because I just didn't want them to install any imperfections like that Mercedes that's right there. Jeez, that was harder than I thought it would be. That thing I had to spend 4 or 5 hours perfecting it, and that's because the dealership that I got it from another dealership. I guarantee that one was on the showroom, being touched by customers and staff, wiping it off, making it look nice. But the downside of that is that it installs all these swirl marks that I don't like. So I want to prevent that as much as possible, and I think the best way to do that is to just don't touch it. So I built this. Again, it took about 4 weeks. Let me tell you about it. It's the mineral white metallic. So you can't tell because it's got this protection on the hood that I got to peel off. It's going to be like peeling off the screen of a new iPhone. I'm going to love it. I'll film it too. But mineral white, so it's a really sharp, nice looking white. I did the laser lights, and then to complement the blue in those, I did the blue, which is stock. You can get red as an option. Calipers. This is my daily, so I want to do the all-season tires, and the only option with that are these wheels, which I don't think are bad at all. I wish there was a running board option. Not that I would use it, but I can already tell coming out of here. Look at how wide this door jamb is, or door sill. I'm going to end up hitting my calf on that almost every time. But anyway, there's a couple options that you can get the surround view camera, which, by the way, BMW, good on you. The technology in this thing is unreal. I was pulling in my garage last night, and my driver's side rear panel got close to my, I guess it'd be like this part on the garage, and the screen manipulated itself, or I'll have to show you, but it warped around and almost zoomed in where the sensor was picking up that I might hit something. It was really cool. But this is the 50i, like I said, so you get, this is a nice, a metallic graphite color. I had the option of making accents kind of like this. I don't think it's quite like that. But the mirrors could have been like that, and the kidney grill could have been like that, but I wanted to do the blackout package, whatever it's called, Shadowline, I think. So everything is either painted like the mirrors or blacked out like up here. Let me show you the inside here. So there's not a whole lot of options you can get with these things. Yeah, look at that. See, they left everything on there. I'll probably keep these on here just to protect it. But I did the Murano, whatever that leather is called. It's like $1,000, $300 to have this carbon fiber dash. If this was anyone else, like Porsche or Mercedes, that'd be like a $2,000 or at least $1,200 option. That's every option that I picked on this thing. Kudos again to BMW. They weren't charging up the ass for it. Even this leather dash pad. I think this was like $800 or $600. I think this was $800, and I think the Alcantara headliner was $600 or $800. I don't know. One of them was $600, one of them was $800. Well, shoot, I got the window sticker right over here. let me stop guessing and just show you how I built this thing. So MSRP was just over 101 with the delivery charge, they give you. So yeah, so base on this thing is 86,250. I did the dynamic handling package, which I totally forgot about. What this does is kind of like, I did this on my 992 Turbo S2. If you're at a slow speed, it'll turn the wheels in the same direction as the front wheels, so you're kind of like coming around the bend. It's really cool. And then if you're going at a high speed, it turns them in the opposite direction, so your turning is a little more accurate where you point it. So that's what that is. It gives you, suspension and roll stabilization. The parking assistance, that's what the surround view comes with. Yeah, see, it's a little, I hope you can see that. I mean, surround view cameras for $800. I remember building Porsches and that being like a $2,000 option. Executive package. This comes with the laser lights. That's why I wanted it. Jester is really cool. I have to show you guys that in another video. Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna go kind of fast in this video. I just want to show you guys what I got. I wanted to share with you, like the unboxing, if you will. But I mean, that's all the accessories or options that I really needed. I'm missing maybe one that wasn't available. And MSRP just over 101. I talked Motorworks, that's where I bought this from. I talked them up on my trade value because they lowballed me pretty hard. I think I got into like almost 7 or 6 grand for my truck, and it was still pretty low because Porsche offered me 52. They offered me 50, but it's a lot better than where we started. I think we started at like 43 or something like that. Anyway, and then I also talked them down MSRP on this a couple grand too. So thank you, Motorworks. Shout out Trish. They really worked with me well on this, which is good, because I like to do business with them some more. But again, I forgot about BMW. I don't know how. I'm obsessed with the high-end luxury cars. So I don't know. BMW just wasn't on my radar, I guess. But let me stand up this camera here, and I'm gonna film. You can call it an unwrapping. So again, all I'm gonna do is take off this type of stuff, and I'm gonna wash it up and beautify it. I have it set to be tinted on Tuesday as well as clear brought, so we're going to do the front end first just so it's protected as soon as it can be protected, and then it'll be finished on Thursday. That'll be the entire thing will get wrapped, because yes, all my cars, it's kind of become an obsession, but all of these cars here have a wrap on them, except that C1 actually, just to keep them protected, and I did a video showing the ZR1, me washing that and finding some scratches, and all I did was take a heat gun, or you can take hot water, I guess, and scratches go away. It's kind of like a self-healing film. Okay, I'll stop rambling. I'm just excited. This car is so sweet. It's so comfortable. It sounds so good. I love it, to be honest. I've only had it for like a day now, but I mean, I can tell pretty quick whether I like a car or not, and this is a keeper. All right, I'll start with the driver's side. This is like a Christmas present. They put all this stuff in here just to protect it for transportation. Good looking seats. It's kind of like a WeatherTech mat, but disposable. I kind of want to keep this. I'm gonna put this to the side for now. Alright, here I'm gonna keep that on. I think I'll remove this. Keep that one on, and then that. Yeah. That's it. Remove that. Yeah, that looks sharp. I'm gonna wait to put the mats in until I can vacuum that out. Oof, alright. These are my mats. Brought this to snow blow with. Manual. I'm going to trash this one because I don't think there's an easy way to get it off. without trashing it. I guess I'm doing it right now. See, I have a window sticker, so I don't think I need this. That's what I showed you up front earlier. Keep that? Sure. Just this battery log form. I need that. Cool. Man, this is just a high quality car. That thing goes up high. Oh, here's my carpet mats. I didn't even realize. This part I was looking forward to. I had to actually keep it on there, but we'll keep it on until I get a clear rod. But whatever, it'll be all right. This comes off real easy. Wow, this is nice looking white. So cool. Yeah, it's like taking off a screen protector on your brand new phone. Nice. Alright, and I was driving home with this one. See that guy? Just flapping in the wind the whole time. Oh, that's easy. That was easier than I thought it would be. Let's go ahead and wash this up real quick. So the first wash kind of tells you a lot about the car. I found a couple flaws. First one being right here, that's probably caused by a rock getting stuck into the tire and then slung up over here. I think I'll be able to make that look pretty good, especially because it'll be clear brought over. And then I just saw this. I'm gonna try to, I mean, it feels like it's a chip, but I'm gonna try polishing it. Over there, that's disappointing. I mean, you try to tell your dealerships not to do anything to it. I don't think they did, but that could have been happened in transport. Probably wasn't a enclosed trailer. wasn't a enclosed trailer. So that sucks, but let's dry it off. All right guys, I'm gonna wrap this up here. I got the X6 all cleaned up. She cleaned up very nice. The paint quality on these things is, I forgot how nice it really is, just like the way it feels and the curvatures of it. I don't know, it's really nice. I did find a couple flaws I showed earlier. This one, I'm gonna stop by some auto parts store on the way home tonight and I'm gonna grab something and try to touch that up. Worst case, it's gonna look like crap, but at least it'll be protected, and I think the clear brow will help disguise it, because that clear brow is gonna probably come wrapped around a little bit on here. And I'll try to get it as good as I can get it. But I found that I already fixed this up here. There's just this piece right here. You kind of see now. There's just tons of swirls and scratches on that. And then I found this little ding right here. I'm gonna try to touch that up too. I think I can maybe polish it and do a little bit of paint on there, sand it, polish, things like that. But yeah, it turned out really great. This is an awesome looking color. I like how the taillights are tinted a little bit. Got the interior all put together, got the mats in there and everything. Yeah, I put my paper mats down to protect the WeatherTechs. Oh, this is a sweet car. I like how you can control. I'll do a good tour on this once I get more used to it. But you can control the left hand seat with the right seat controls. Watch. See that? Isn't that cool? That's just controlled like that. I think Mercedes does that too, but first time I ever had a car that did it. So it's a pretty sweet car. I think I'm gonna enjoy it for a while. I can tell that this thing, once you get on it, she's gonna pop. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this week's video here. Hope you guys like this. I think it's a pretty sweet car. Well, time will tell though. But as always, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks.